students of 10th standard literacy. I hope that you will be fine at your home, or I hope that you started your study also, because August month is going on. We don't know when school will be started. I hope that from September month will be started, but this is not clear to us. So today we will discuss exercise 4.3. In 4.2 there are statement sums also. Yesterday also I said to you that there are statement sums that once CBSE board deleted, they said that their students will not solve. That's why no, I am going to start today exercise 4.3. So here also two formulas are there to find the roots of the quadratic equation. One is completing the square and one is quadratic formula. And to find the roots of quadratic equation by completing the square method, that is again deleted by the CBSE board. They said the students will not do this time. We have to use quadratic formula to solve the quadratic equations to find the roots of the quadratic equation. So in the book there is mentioned in 4.3 exercise topic thereby applying the method of completing the square, but that I haven't written here because other words I written here to find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist. One part is if they exist, अगर वो exist करते हैं, अगर exist करते हैं then we have to find by applying the quadratic formula, but in book this is mentioned by applying the completing the square method. Square method is deleted this time from the syllabus. So second question means regarding to quadratic formula, but equations, quadratic equation will remain same from the first part. So please be positive. अभी भी कुछ नहीं बिगड़ा है बेटे. Anything we can do in our life, be positive. So we should always try to remain positive and lead forward in your life. Now we will talk firstly if they exist to give the answer of this part. Equations, quadratic equations होगी हमारे पास. Quadratic equation है किस तरह की होती है? a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 form की होती है. So there are three conditions. तो out of three conditions, in two condition roots, real roots जो है exist करते हैं और एक condition में roots जो वो exist नहीं करते. For that what you have to do? See, first part ने कहा कि equation के क्या होंगे? Two distinct real roots होंगे, यानी कि real roots exist करेंगे और क्या होंगे? Two distinct roots होंगे, क्योंकि quadratic equation में तो root तो two ही होंगे इसके. कोई रूट्स होंगे बट क्या होंगे? डिस्टिंक्ट होंगे, अलग-अलग होंगे. बट हाउ विल यू आइडेंटिफाई इफ देयर b square minus 4ac greater than 0? If we have their condition b square minus 4ac greater than 0. What is b? You know well, coefficient of x. What is a? Coefficient of x square. What is c? Constant term. So you have to learn this b square minus 4ac. If this is greater than 0, or we say to this, I will show at last also to you. So b square minus 4ac we say as a d also. Or D stands for discriminant. We can say D greater than 0 also. But you should be there in your brain that D is value how we calculate. Second part is to equal roots. यहाँ पे कहते हैं distinct roots है. यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है? Equal roots है. Means we can say coincident rules also. Coincident. यानी कि same number इनके आंसर होंगे. If there what is if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. अगर आपके पास इनके जो कोफिशिएंट है x स्क्वायर का है, x का कांस्टेंट टर्म का, ये सब हम कैलकुलेशन करते हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस वन. इफ दे इक्वल टू 0 वी गेट, देन वी कैन से दैट इज d इक्वल टू 0 आल्सो. ठीक है जी. तब रूट्स कौन से होंगे? इक्वल रूट्स होंगे. देन नो रियल रूट्स. लास्ट ईयर दे सर इफ एग्जिस्ट. अब इट मींस यहां पे रूट्स एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते हैं. तो यहां पे नो रियल रूट्स if b square minus 4ac what is there? Less than 0. What is less than 0? That is d less than 0 we have here. We can say. No, what is d here? d we say discriminant. Or discriminant's value is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. ये हमने लिखा है एक पार्ट में b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac. तो ये d की वैल्यू के इक्वल होता है. इसको हम d भी बोल सकते हैं. तो ये तीसरी कंडीशन आपको पहले गलत करनी है. टू अनइक्वल डिस्टिंक्ट मींस टू अनइक्वल रूट्स. तो क्या होगा हमारे पास? d ग्रेटर देन 0 होगा. इक्वल रूट्स के लिए d इक्वल टू 0 होगा. रियल रूट्स के लिए d जो है लेस देन 0 होगा, यानी कि d की वैल्यू आपकी कोई नेगेटिव नंबर होगा. नेगेटिव हो सकता है, रैशनल, इरेशनल, एनीथिंग बट नेगेटिव. मीन इज नेगेटिव. नो, आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू. फर्स्ट पार्ट of the first question, exercise 4.3. So conditions should be learned to you whenever you have to start the work. So question first part is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. This equation is given to us. Then by comparing equation फर्स्ट, हमने एक इक्वेशन दी उसको फर्स्ट मान लिया. इक्वेशन फर्स्ट विद ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What will you get from here? A is coefficient of x square, that is 2. What is b? Coefficient of x. What is c? Constant. अब देखिए यहाँ पे जो रियल जो हमारे पास जनरल फॉर्म जो इक्वेशन है उसके सारे प्लस के साइन है. इफ यू हैव योर नेगेटिव साइन इवन इट इज ए और बी में से जो भी नेगेटिव है उसमें से ए और बी की वैल्यू जो नेगेटिव आ जाएगी. अगर ए है तो ए नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, बी के प्लेस पे है तो बी नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, सी आल्सो कैन बी नेगेटिव. नो इफ दे एग्जिस्ट, क्या एग्जिस्ट करते हैं? रूट्स की बात कर रहे हैं कि रूट्स एग्जिस्ट करते हैं या नहीं करते. फॉर दैट आई एक्सप्लेन यू टू कंडीशंस. For that we require to find out d. Discriminant हमें find out करना है. That is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. In one line we can calculate. What is b? Minus 7. Minus 4a. What is a? 2. What is c? 3. Like this we have to fill. Or then solve this one. Here you will get 49. Here 4 to the 8. Here 24. So like this you will get here 25. Or what is this 25? 25 is greater than 0. So since ये क्या हमारे पास 25 d है, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट है, d greater than 0, therefore real roots of equation exist. ठीक है सर, तो real roots of the equation exist. अब उन्होंने कहा कि अगर इसके रूट्स एग्जिस्ट करते हैं तब अप्लाई करो कौन सा फॉर्मूला, क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला, और उसको फाइंड आउट करो. दिस द टॉपिक. नो व्हाट इज क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला? यू हैव टू लर्न केयरफुली दैट. दिस आल्सो टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल. वेरिएबल नॉट कंपल्सरी ओनली x. वेरिएबल मे बी y, z, anyone. x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. ये हमारा क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला. ठीक है सी. Before this you can show here also by applying quadratic formula, otherwise you will forget. By applying quadratic formula. तो ये हमारे पास क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला. once x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now here at the place of b square minus 4ac we can say d also. हम इसकी जगह पे d भी भर सकते हैं. Yes, no, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So once I explained to you that b square minus 4ac is same as d, discriminant we can say in this way also, because d is already calculated. No, x. What is b? b is your minus 7. This is in the formula, this minus, or this is b's value, plus minus, or d what is 25. Directly also we can fill, or we can make in this way also, over 2a. What is a? 2. So like this. Next step what will come? Minus minus plus 7 will come, plus minus square root of 25 what will come? 5 over 4. So like this there are, or we got plus 7 plus minus 5 over 2. 2 into. Here like this we got x is equal to plus 7 plus minus 5 over 4. No, we can say plus 7 is a simple 7. So 7 plus minus 5 over 4. Then either or. once you have to take plus sign, once you have to take minus sign, or they both will be the x value. तो 7 plus 5 by 4, 7 minus 5 over 4, then add किया, divide कर लिया, 3 आंसर आ गया हमारे पास, and in this we got x is equal to 2 over 4, then both are divided by 2, divide कर दिया, we got x is equal to 1 by 2. So like this x value both we got 3 and half, we can set last, so required roots are 3 and half. So these are two values, like in yesterday if I attached method we calculated, because two answers will be there, because the power is highest 2, that's why. Now we will talk about the question number third part. Once I explain to you third part. Second. Okay, now we have to talk about the question number third part. So in this nothing you know, there is a root number, that's why I took this question now. Again same way, one line I test first part by comparing equation first with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare करना है, then you will get a's value, b's value and c's value. A is 4, b is positive 4 over 3 and c is 3. जी आगे हमारे पास no roots exist or not, we have to check for that. We have to find d, or d is same as b square minus 4ac. You can solve in horizontal way also, vertical way also. So now here b, what is 4 root 3 square minus 4 a c. A is value 4, c is value 3. Now here in this, sometimes students fastly do this cancel or this cancel, but that will be wrong. You get both ones square. I want to show here that as you have 4 root 3 square, it means 4 square और root 3 का भी square होगा, दोनों ही numbers का square होना है. That means 4 square is 16 और root 3 का square आ जाएगा आपके पास. तो इसको यहाँ से now we can cancel this. अब इसको cancel भी कर सकते हैं. Now this one 4 to 16 is a 48. This also we got 48. This we got 0. So now here what is this d's value? Since d is equal to 0, same real roots of equation exist. ठीक है, real roots of equation exist. आप चाहें तो ये भी लिख सकते हैं. I know I haven't told in the first part. We can say कि which type roots will be. अब इनके हम बता भी सकते हैं कि roots कैसे होंगे. Real roots of equation exist and roots will be equal. And roots will be equal. हम कह भी सकते हैं, ठीक है से. तो ये चीज कहीं नहीं थी इसलिए मैं पहले लिखवा रही, but we can say roots will be equal. यानी कि अब जो भी आपका आंसर आएगा x की दोनों वैल्यू सेम होगी. बट अब देखिए फर्स्ट पार्ट में जो हमने किया वहां पे अलग अलग दो आंसर आए थे हमारे 3 and 1/2. तो वहां पे क्या कंडीशन थी, क्योंकि ग्रेटर था वहां पे रूट्स एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, बट रूट्स क्या होंगे डिस्टिंक्ट. तो डिस्टिंक्ट थे, अलग अलग थे, अनइक्वल थे. नो, नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू अप्लाई क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला. Quadratic formula, what is x is equal to, you have to learn this or you have to write answer here by applying, by using, you can say anything, quadratic formula. That is x is equal to, once again I am going to write b plus minus root b square minus 4ac over 2. Then also one more thing explain to you, plus minus d also we can say over 2a. No, next step what will come, d is value 0. Each and every value we mentioned here, a, b, c, d, we have all there. You will see from the above. B's value what was 4 root 3 and D's value we got as a 0 over, or A's value was 4. Now solve this. minus 4 root 3 plus minus 0, क्योंकि 0 का रूट क्या होगा, उसके रूट क्या होगा 0 होगा, over 8. So now again Either or condition we have to apply because in knowing I haven't removed 0 from here because sometimes students face problem due to this. X is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus 0 over 8. और then here x is equal to 4 root 3 नेगेटिव है ये और 0 को सिर्फ माइनस में डालेंगे minus 0 over 8. Then if you will add 0 or subtract 0 from any number, we get the answer number itself. Minus 4 root 3 over 8. Here also will come minus 4 root 3 over 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are 4 ones are 4 twos are. Or then what will you get? Minus root 3 over 2. Here also minus root 3 over 2. See the both well numbers are same. Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 1 negative answer. That's why condition was there. Roots equal. हमने starting में लिखा है. But we have to write 2 times. और minus root 3 by 2. At last you can say so required roots are. I think you can write yourself. So required roots are. In the bracket जहाँ r के साथ वैसे हम लिख सकते हो minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2.